Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by checking if you have the latest software version, open REALME Link application. Of course your earbuds should be connected with the app, then tap on them at the device list. And now click three dots at the right top. Right here at the first line we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software version. So you need to click at this line, and if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. Next step is to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the application list, then open it again. Also, I recommend you to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side, at the top we have touch areas. You need to press and hold both of them simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can release your fingers now, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. At the left side we have a button Forget. On your phone it may be Unpair or Forget Device button. Tap on it and then Forget Device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or click Refresh button if you have this button, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. But I need to tap at this button, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So tap on them at the device list and then click Pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!